Good morning, everyone. Today is day 7, and we're going to peek in and see what our Amish friendship bread is looking like. All right. Remember yesterday, day 6, we added a cup of sugar, a cup of flour, and a cup of milk. So see how it's kind of bubbly a little bit like that? Kind of lumpy and bubbly. That's the yeast kind of doing its thing. Yeah. All right. I had a question, and I'll just go ahead and answer it right here. Someone asked, can you make a starter, an Amish Friendship Bread Starter, without using yeast? And the answer to that question is yes. You can start day 1 with a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, and a cup of milk, okay? And just leave the yeast out. Just know that your end product will be just a little bit different. It may not rise as high as you want it to, okay? And it may have a different smell, or it may not. It's been so long since I started a starter without yeast. I've just been so used to starting it with the yeast. But yeah, I think I seem to remember starting it without the yeast quite a while back. Okay, I just took a good whiff of the Amish Friendship Bread Starter for day 7. And I had my husband smell it too, because I really wanted to get a good description of what I'm smelling. Actually, I'm not smelling much of anything. The first whiff that you get is a yeasty, bready kind of smell. Does it smell like vinegar? No, it does not smell like vinegar. Not at all. If your starter is smelling like vinegar, something went wrong. Something went wrong, and I'm not sure. I don't think it should have a vinegar smell. And if you're kind of going along with me and following, and if you started when I started, you should be on day 7. Yeah. So make sure that you're on day 7. If it smells like vinegar, I wouldn't use it. I just wouldn't use it. Sometimes, for some reason, they can go bad. They just go sour. I don't know why. I have never had one do that, not ever. So I would be a little leery of that. And try again. I would be scared of that. I've never had one smell like vinegar. And maybe what you're smelling is really more a yeasty bread smell. Maybe that's kind of what you're smelling. So if that's the case, smell it again. And if there's somebody else in your household, ask them to take a whiff of it and tell them you need their first inclination as to what it is they think they're smelling. Don't give them a clue like, does it smell like vinegar or bread or something like that. Just let them think about it. Let them stew on it for a minute and think about it. What does this really smell like? So I just got out of the shower, so my hair is still wet. All right. So day 7, we started again, and we started really well. There's a lot of bubbles in it because yesterday we fed it. On day 6, we gave it a cup of milk, a cup of flour, and a cup of sugar. Today's day 7, and we just stirred it. We stirred it up real well. Okay? So I'll see you again real soon. I promise. Bye-bye. Good morning. It is Sunday morning, and today is day 8 for our Friendship Starter Amish bread. Look at that. It's so nice and thick, and the color is absolutely beautiful. I couldn't be happier with this starter. It's been so easy, so wonderful. I've had no problems with it. And I'm just going to give it a quick stir here this morning. Yeah, before we run off to church. I have a little visitor here with me this weekend. Hey, Everett. Munchie, can you say hey? Can you wave? We're busy watching Busby. Yes, we like Busby. And there's Brownie. Hey, Brownie. Yep, everybody's here this morning. Yay. Just everybody checking in. Alrighty, so there we go. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. I should be getting a video out pretty soon to y'all, so yeah, be on the lookout for that. Oh, we have some fun plans for this little bowl of dough. Actually, it's not a dough. It is a batter. Yeah, consider it a batter, and you'll be good. All right, I'll just put that down right there. All right, I'm gonna cover it back up, and I'll see it again tomorrow morning for day 9. We're getting so close. Bye now.